welcome to Toyland. Today, today Ginger Cat is very excited since she is going to be opening 2 surprise eggs. Okay, Cat, let's open the first one. You need to watch me do it. Oh, sounds kind of light in there. Let's see what's inside. It's my rubber band. How nice. You know what it says? It says the resistance. I'm going to put it on right now. Oopsies. There. Don't have a colour in it. Let's close the egg so we can use it for later. Time to open the yellow egg. Oh, sounds like something's inside. It's the 2 little spinning tops, and they each different coloured. Oh, let's close our yellow egg. Oopsies, dropped it on the floor. Let me just do that again. There. Perfect. Let's have a look at the spinning tops then. Hold on a second, where's the other one? Oh, there it is. Are you ready, Cat, to see the nice? Are you ready, Cat, to see the spinning tops? Okay. Oh, let's go then. Ready? Oh, jeez. Whee! Let's learn the colours of them first. Look, they each are wooden. And there, this one is purple. There's also striped colours that are yellow, red, green and yellow again. This one is red and it's blue, green, purple and blue again. Oh dear, this camera's not really leaning very well. Let's make sure it is. Let's spin them both. Oh, now this one. Oh dear, it crashed into the wood floor. Let's just go and do that again. That's better. Uh-oh, look how spinny that is. Wow. Very nice. And you may have noticed we have a new pattern on the floor now. And now let's do the purple one. Oh, my cat. Oh, the Ginger Cat really likes purple. Let's try it out. We can also spin it all together. Oh! Oh! Neat. Well, thank you so much for coming to Toyland. Please support our channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Thank you and goodbye.